Let's check out the AP Stats news for week 4. In week 4, we're going to start off by wrapping up the chapter 1 with the free response test on Monday. Remember, you have 1 week following this date to complete the free response test if you are not ready to test on Monday. Once that week is up, any homework not done will turn to 0 and cannot be made up. I'm also going to ask for your feedback on how the course has been going so far for you. So if you could please take about 3 to 5 minutes of your time and answer this survey going through a Google form just to get your thoughts on the course. Now, the multiple choice and free response tests are retakeable if you're not content with your scores. The guidelines for a retake are listed right here. Before you do move forward to retake, all formative assignments must be complete. So if you ever did get a 0 on homework, you must go back and complete that to get an adequate score. You'll then want to set up a meeting with me, and we will just go over the learning objectives you missed on your test, and I'll assign you some relearning problems to try so you can do better on the new retake. I also have some multiple choice and free response extra practice if you would like, and you can find them within this folder. These links right here is a multiple choice practice and some free response. These are not required, but you might find them helpful. All of the relearning that you're scheduled to do and the retake itself must be done within 2 weeks of when the test was first administered. And remember, you get the new score on your second test, even if you do worse. The last 4 days of the week, then, we're just going to jump into Chapter 2 and basically just have some standard notes and homework. So Chapter 2 is going to be about modeling distributions of data. What it's called is the normal distribution. This is probably a topic you haven't seen before, so it's new data, but it's interesting. It's actually somewhat of a number crunching type of section that hopefully you'll enjoy because it's different. Like Chapter 1, Chapter 2 also has a question board. Please feel free to use this discussion thread at any time during Chapter 2 with your questions. I will try to get back to them within a day's response, and other students feel free to read them, and if you have responses, you can respond within the thread too. You do want to start the chapter by doing the read and watch the Chapter 2 opener. Just look at the case study to give you a better understanding of what the chapter may be like. And then you are ready to jump into day 1 and do your note-taking, your practice work, and submitting your homework online.